We are starting a very important conversation.
Are you learning disabled or neurodivergent, or part of a minoritized or racialized community? Do you know someone who is?
We are trying to understand the barriers you face in accessing services and the arts, as in audience member, artist, practitioner or participant, and would love you to be part of the conversation.
We will be hosting a series of Zoom sessions exploring different perspectives to help share knowledge and experience and start a conversation about what work needs to be done for the wider arts community to be more inclusive.
Get in touch if you would like to be involved, and look out for sign-up options on social media to book your place.
Let's get talking.